The bootmod 3.0 app is here, and that's what you've been waiting for. We've taken everything you've loved and redesigned it from the ground up to deliver the best user experience yet. Whether you're on Android, iOS, or desktop, bootmod is now available across all platforms. Just head to the Play Store, App Store, or visit bootmod.net/downloads to get started. No more extra installations. The agent is now built into the app. Just launch it and you're ready to flash, log, and tune. We've completely redesigned the interface with a keen eye for detail. The new dashboard gives you infinite layout control. Drag to remove a gauge, tap to add a new one, resize it, change the style, all in real time. No more flipping through the pages, it's all right there in front of you. Our map screen got a total overhaul, especially on mobile. The layout is simpler, flashing is smoother, and you no longer need to manually download the stock map. Just select your map, flash once, and you're ready to go. The Wi-Fi adapter screen is now part of the hardware tab, along with the rest of the hardware that we offer. Flex fuel kits, high flow kit, and Rev2. Connectivity has been upgraded, and we've added a new connectivity guide. It helps troubleshoot issues quickly so you can stay focused on tuning and not technical problems. And if something does go wrong during flashing, you can now send a full log directly to our support team with one tap, making help faster and more efficient than ever. When you're data logging, the dashboard now shows an active animation, so you now know it's working. And for our desktop users, yes, we've made every gauge, type, and size available. Customize your screen like never before. The bootmod 3.0 app is more than an update, it's an evolution. Smarter, faster, and more connected. Go download it now and experience the future of tuning.